what's your problem?
Yeah, hi.
Yeah.
So, a YouTuber I know, he's called Samsalabam Vlogs. He hasn't been uploading in a while. I don't know what happened, and I don't know what I should do now. Also, he hasn't been posting he hasn't been posting lately on Instagram and on other social media that he doesn't have. Well, the answer is right here. What's up, people peeps? Samsalabam here. Yo, yo, yo. So, this has been a while. Videos, yes. Didn't forget about them. No, not at all. Kinda missed it. Yes, at all. I have glasses. I cut my hair. Yes, good start. Telling everything. Good start. Happy New Year! Happy 2016! I had vacation. I had vacation from school and I didn't make any videos. I do not exactly know why I didn't. I could have caught up with so many, like, beautiful time lapses, but mostly I sat at home. Yeah, I don't know why. I do have one time lapse, this one. But no, I didn't make any videos. Also because I broke my phone. Already? Yes, already. I know. So, not a lot of videos coming because I broke my phone. I can't be on social media. I can only, yeah. But until my... This is like straight, but it's curved and it's weird and it's, yeah, wide angle lens, remember that I got those? Yeah, can only use them on my computer now. Yeah, maybe some live streams coming though. That would be fun. But okay, this was the video for now. Hope to see you next time. Bye!